Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your Google Pay business profile and linking your settlement bank. This ensures funds deposit. Next, organize the gift card inventory, SKU, face value, and quantity so you can list accurate options. While you do that, enable merchant payments and review transaction limits and hold periods. This avoids unexpected rejections. Once done, prepare pricing including margins and fees and draft short product descriptions. Accurate metadata prevents disputes and speeds buyer checkout. Now create the actual listings. Use your storefront or a social sale post and state exact value, expiry, and delivery method. Clarity reduces refunds. For each buyer, send a Google Pay collect request or a QR code tied to the invoice ID. This makes reconciliation simple. After the buyer pays, verify the transaction in Google Pay's Merchant Console, match the amount and invoice, and then prepare the digital or physical gift card delivery. Make sure to timestamp and log the sale for records. Finish by delivering the gift card and clear redemption steps. Email digital codes or hand over physical cards and include instructions. Then reconcile. Compare Google Pay deposits to your sales log and save receipts for accounting. This prevents revenue leakage. If a payment fails, first confirm the buyer's payment status and check for pending holds or bank limits. Next, resubmit a collect request or offer an alternative payment method. If charges are reversed, contact Google Pay support with transaction ID and timestamps to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.